We are still in Torquay and we are preparing for a passage further east to Portland.
These are the charts that we're using tomorrow. This is our passage plan. These are the very important times for high water Plymouth. These are the tidal streams around Portland. We've got the charts that we need here across Lyme Bay, harbours, Portland and Weymouth Harbour. We're going to come out of here 9 or 10 o'clock to navigate out by sight, keeping clear of this rock and keeping this buoy to port. And then from here, we are going to be going 87 degrees on the compass, about 16 miles to here. Then another 16 miles, 81 degrees on the compass. But before we get there, we're going to check what time it is at this point. And that will depend on whether we head for here, or for here, or for here. Because it will make a difference. And I've only estimated the time for how long it's going to take. But we've got the notes on here. If we are there at these times, then it will depend on which of these waypoints we head for. Most importantly, these must be on port at all times. This is the shambles. The 2 cardinal marks there. And then I will do the passage into either Portland or Weymouth.
These 3 points depend of time.
On the time that we get here.
Because of
the tidal stream around Portland.
Which we have information about it.
On here.
Not here.
If it's the wrong time and it's really racing us in the wrong direction, this is the safe place to go 5 miles out. And theoretically we should be in by around 8-9 o'clock tomorrow evening. But we might race out and be here really early. And then we have to wait. Any problems, we will be aiming for Bridport, Westport, because we will be able to moor up there. So that's our emergency stop beforehand. Afterhand, if we have to carry on, we have to carry on to Poole Harbour, which is quite a long way, but we definitely don't want to be doing that because it will put us there in the night time.
It is only marina to stay here, I think. The harbour master contact is 74, so we don't need probably. But we have marina, so the marina is at 0. The harbour, we have to enter here, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
It means...
And we don't have to worry about the depth of water going into either Weymouth or Portland, because there will always be enough water.
Już nie wrócę na morze, nigdy więcej o nie. Czas zakończyć włóczęgę, na pewno to wiem. O, jeszcze się mieszczę w spodenki. Schudłam. Nie schudłam. Na takiej opcji. Nie na tym żarełku tutaj. Back. Yeah, it was back. I saw.
Nice, ready?
Okay, what do we need to do?
Okay, slip.
What happened?
My belt. We're going to need your stockings.
It was punishment for using engine. The belt's broken, but the engine still works, and we've got sails. Should trim them properly, but sailing here you sometimes hear shooting. It's either the firing range or the Russians sending a battleship down the channel again.
It hard shooting. Didn't say it. Good army that could do something people want to see them, yeah?
We were enjoying the sunset when we heard the foghorn of Portland. Behind us fog built and we were soon down to visibility of a few meters. It was to continue all night and a power failure took our lights out.
Three blind mice, see how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, she cut off their tails with a
The Portland lights should be visible for miles, but we had no sign of it at all. Thanks to all the careful planning, we got in safely.
three blind mice.
Join us next time when we explore Portland and learn which animal is taboo in this part of England.